Good morning mga ka-winners. Unang biyahe natin sa 2025. Sir, unang biyahe nga po natin sa 2025. Kasama natin si Coach Norman Black ng SBP. Samahan niyo ako. Pupunta kami sa Ilocos Norte via Lawag. First time ko po magfa-fly ng airplane papunta sa Lawag, papunta Ilocos Norte. Usually po, biyahe namin by land. Let's go! Ganito ba yung biyahe first time? And my idol is here, Coach Norman Black. Good morning! Sabi ko na eh, yung gate 2 naging gate 7. First time ko pumunta ng Lawag. We're about to take off. Hindi ko pa alam kung gaano kahaba talaga ng flight ng Manila to Lawag. First flight for 2025. So see you around. Time check, sabi 50 minutes flight from Manila to Lawag. Let's see. I love just arrived Lawag.
We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive the clearance to do so.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Woo, just arrived Lawag. Gabi. Lamig dito. Summertime. Lawag. Here we come. Yung weather dito parang Kabanatuan. Hey, Coach! Ito, lagi itong galito. Panorin eh. Wow, international airport pala talaga itong Lawag. Grabe. The last person to deplane. Boss Matthew! Nice. Very clean. Oh, nice. Yes.